Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable mileage tracking with Everlance for IRS deductions. To enable mileage tracking with Everlance for IRS deductions, start by downloading the Everlance app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account or log in to your existing one. After logging in, grant the app permission to access your location. This will allow Everlance to automatically track your mileage. Next, navigate to the Settings section by tapping on the profile icon in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, look for the Mileage Tracking option. Toggle the switch to turn on automatic mileage tracking. You may also adjust your preferences for tracking trips, such as whether to automatically categorize trips or if you'd like notifications when a trip begins. To manually track a trip, tap on the Start Trip button each time you begin a new journey. After completing your trip, tap on End Trip to stop the tracking. Review your trip details and ensure they are categorized correctly for IRS deductions. You can easily change the trip type from business to personal or vice versa. Make sure to include any necessary notes about the trip in the designated section if you need them for your records. To view all your tracked mileage, return to the main dashboard. Regularly check your mileage reports to ensure accuracy and to prepare for tax season. Everlance automatically calculates potential deductions based on your tracked miles. By staying consistent with your mileage tracking, you can maximize your deductions come tax time. With these steps completed, you are now set up to enable mileage tracking with Everlance for IRS deductions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.